Hi, Kelsey. I thought that this would be a little bit easier than trying to explain in words for you. The IXLs aren't going to show up over here in the to-do list because they're not, I didn't create them as an assignment. I just created them as a page. So also that means they're not showing up on the calendar up here as well if you click to there. So you always have to go to the home, find the week it is, and then where there was multiple days, I had them separated by days. So this was last week's Monday, this was our activity, Tuesdays, and so on. So the IXL that you weren't seeing was from this week here, Tuesday and Wednesday. This assignment, if you click it, there's the IXL assignment that you were missing. So I think what's happening is you're looking at this to-do list over here and not seeing it, and that is why. It's because it's not an assignment, and assignments would go over here in the to-do list, and it is not considered that. So you have to log in on the home page and make sure that you check each day for what I have put on there.